Hello, students. Again, I, Anjum Bharti Nirpan, welcomes you to join the class of English Grammar. Today, we are going to start a very important topic, pronouns. Okay? First, we'll get to know what is pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun or of more than one noun. Okay, so in a short way we have to learn it according to that pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. यानी noun के place पर जो word use होता है that is called pronoun. Okay, हमेशा ध्यान रखना है pronoun is used to place of a noun. देखो आप इसके आंसर में ही इसमें खुद में ही जो वर्ड है उसमें खुद में ही इसका आंसर है नाउन. ओके, प्रोनाउन जिसके लिए प्लेस करता है वो होता है नाउन. ओके, एग्जाम्पल, look at Mike को देखिए, he is good boy. Here noun is Mike. Okay, and his pronoun is he is a good boy. So here we used pronoun in place of a noun. Okay, the headmistress like her a lot. Okay, the headmistress likes her a lot. Her here is a pronoun. Okay, so there are types of pronouns such as personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. I am repeating again. Types of pronouns are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. So let's discuss first personal pronoun. A group of pronouns that take the place of nouns means personal pronoun are the group of pronouns that take the place of noun, either common or proper. हमें ये नहीं देखना है कि कौन सा नाउन है, ये कॉमन भी हो सकता है और प्रॉपर भी हो सकता है. दैट रिफर्स टू द पीपल. ओके, बट विच रिफर्स टू द पीपल, जस्ट एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर द टेबल. First person, second person, and third person. In first person, if we talk about I, its plural is we. If we talk about me, it's plural of yes. Okay, I plural is me and we plural is us. Okay, so these are personal pronoun. You can see they work like subject and they work like object. Okay, so again I'm repeating you that what are personal pronouns? I, we, you, he, she, it. Okay, if we talk about in subject, okay, singular form. If we talk about them in plural form, so the plural form of I is me. You will not change. You का you ही रहेगा. He, she, it will become into him, her, and it. We will become into us. You का same रहेगा you. They will become into them. Okay, and don't get confused, I'm divided them into subject part and object part. Okay, जैसा कि आप पढ़ चुके हो, एक सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट भी होता है और ऑब्जेक्ट भी होता है. So these are used for subjective part and these are used for objective parts. Okay, example, as you can see over here, we are very tired. Their pronoun is we. Let us take some rest. अब हमने इस सब्जेक्ट को अगर ऑब्जेक्ट में चेंज किया तो इसका ऑब्जेक्ट क्या बनेगा? us. we का ऑब्जेक्ट क्या बनेगा? us. You can see over here, plural form we, its object is us. Okay, he sang at the concert, everybody liked him. He is pronoun and his personal pronoun is him. As you can see over here, he as a singular form and its personal pronoun is him. Okay, class, I hope this personal pronoun is clear to you all. Again, I'm explaining you the examples of personal pronoun that it includes I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, these are personal pronoun. Second is possessive pronoun. Possessive, it's related to belongingness, possession. Okay, कि belong जो करता है हमसे. They are used to talk about things belonging to people. लोगों से जो belong करता है, लोगों के लिए जो होता है, that is used in possessive pronoun. You can see over here, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. Okay, these are the kinds of possessive pronoun. As a singular form, we'll use mine, yours, his, hers. As a plural form, ours, yours, theirs. Okay, you and your कभी change नहीं होता है. Now you can see over here, first person, one who speaks, जो बात करता है, वो कैसे बात करेगा? Mine and ours. सेकंड पर्सन वन हु इज स्पोकन टू, जो जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा है, योर्स योर्स। थर्ड पर्सन वन हु इज स्पोकन अबाउट, जिसके बारे में बात की गई है, हिज और हर, देयर्स। ओके, एग्जाम्पल इज यू कैन टेक भावना's umbrella, I will use mine। आप भावना का अम्ब्रेला ले सकते हो, बट आई विल यूज माइन। सो आई का यहाँ पर क्या बनाया है हमने, पॉजिटिव माइन। ओके, third is reflexive pronoun, they are possessive pronoun combined with self or self। ये possessiveness में ही होते हैं, जैसे my, your, him, her, सारे possessive है, लेकिन इनमें हम क्या इंक्लूड करते हैं, self और self। self यूज करेंगे सिंगुलर के लिए, self यूज करेंगे प्लूरल फॉर्म के लिए। they are like myself, my is possessive pronoun, right? but हमें इसे reflexive बनाना है तो we'll use self। okay, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves। R is plural form, that's why we use over here selves, yourselves, themselves। okay, these are reflexive pronoun जो कि possessive pronoun से मिलकर बनते हैं। okay, example, I don't live with anybody, I lived myself। okay, this is the example of reflexive pronoun। now next is relative pronoun, they are used to introduce subordinate clauses। now reflective pronoun are related to some interrogative pronoun, and that is also included in this, where we can use who, whom, whose, which, and that। who, whom or whose use for people, and which and that use for things। okay, हम who का use, whom का use and whose का use हम लोगों के लिए करेंगे, whereas we'll use which and that for the things, किसी चीज के लिए करेंगे। okay, example is the copy that I read was from the library। that here is a relative pronoun, and here the copy that I read, जो कॉपी मैं पढ़ता हूँ, was from the library। कहाँ की है, लाइब्रेरी की है। so here copy is a thing, that's why we use over here that। do you know the woman whose car was stolen? क्या तुम उस लेडी को जानते हो जिसकी कार चोरी हो चुकी है? ओके, चुकी थी। तो who's here for the lady। okay, the girl who is playing tennis is my sister। the girl, again there is a talking about a person, that's why we add over here who। this is relative pronoun। relative pronoun relate the thing, किससे relate करता है, means हम इसको easy way में कह सकते हैं it is related to the things or people। यहाँ पर things से relate है, यहाँ पर people से relate है। okay, so I hope this relative pronoun is clear to you all। next is interrogative pronoun। interrogative pronoun always used to interrogate something or ask the question। they are used in questions। हमेशा ये किसके लिए यूज किया जाता है, questions के लिए, question पूछने के लिए। आपको पता है ये WH words are interrogative pronouns। they are like this, what, which, who, whom, and whose। these are interrogative pronoun, as you already read interrogative। okay, in which we use WH words, as you can see over here WH words are there। okay, the question like this, who are you, whom do you want to meet, whose book is this? okay, now first thing we must keep in our mind, which is relative and interrogative pronoun are the same words। as you can see these are same words, whose, who, ये सब WH word है और यहाँ पर भी WH word है, they are same, but there is a condition which category a word fits into a dependent upon context। means हमें ध्यान देना है, here the speaker is talking about the relation or he is asking the question, that's why according to this situation we'll add our pronouns। we'll add whether the situation related to the relative pronoun, we'll add WH word over there, and or the situation related to the interrogative or there some questions, so we'll add interrogative pronouns। okay class, next is demonstrative pronouns। they point out people or things। demonstrative क्या करते हैं, point out करते हैं, this, that, these or those are the demonstrative pronoun, as we already read that this and that used for the singular form, where these and those are used for the plural form। this and these we use the things near to us। okay, that and those we use the thing that is far or further to us। okay, just example, that is an excellent question, आपका क्वेश्चन बहुत एक्सीलेंट था. ओके है. These are my books. यानी बुक्स मेरे पास है and there are lots of books. That's why I used over here. These are my books. And here the situation is pointing out. It means demonstrative pronoun where we use the point out. They point out people or things. Here you can see यहाँ पर pointing out हो रहा है. Okay class. Last is indefinite pronoun. Okay. Indefinite pronoun क्या होते हैं? Pronoun that do not fall into any of the previous category. यानी किसी प्रीवियस कैटेगरी से रिलेट नहीं करते. मोस्ट एक्सप्रेस द आइडिया ऑफ क्वांटिटी. और उनमें से कुछ तो ऐसे होते हैं जो आइडियाज क्वांटिटी बताते हैं. जस्ट लाइक सम यानी कुछ, ऑल यानी सारे, फ्यू, ईच, एवरी एंड नन. दीज आर showing the quantities or ideas. They are like indefinite pronouns are someone, anyone, something, some, everyone, all, few, each, every, and none. These are indefinite pronoun which has no previous categories. Okay. Example, all of us are here. हम सभी यहाँ हैं. Someone or somebody enter the house to steal. Have you seen anybody passing through this gate? These are the example of indefinite pronouns. You can find out easily. All is indefinite pronoun. Okay. Someone and somebody is also indefinite. Anybody is also indefinite article. So I hope all the kinds of articles are clear to you all. Let's quickly revise it. What we read today. So first we read the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Then we read the parts of types of pronoun. There are 7 types of pronoun. First is personal, possessive, reflexive, relative, interrogative, demonstrative, and indefinite. Personal pronoun used for the personal thing or people. It is related to people or thing. Possessive, it's used for the belongingness, and reflexive, which reflect the thing. We use it with the possessive and self and self things. Okay. Relative, it is related to the thing or people. Interrogative, it is used to ask question. Demonstrative, it is used to point out the thing or people. And indefinite are the some words which has no previous category. Okay, such as some, any, such. Okay, these are such are the indefinite articles. Okay, it may be used for the quantity. Okay class, so here we have completed our pronouns. Thank you for joining the class. Please see the video again and try to learn all the kinds of pronoun and take care of yourself. Bye bye everyone.